Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am here and I'm doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup today. It's been a minute. I want to start doing, full faces of one brand again this year because I haven't done it in a minute. I already did Makeup Revolution. Listen, I don't know what Ulta was doing during this whole, like quarantine thing, but it must have been getting their shipping together because I just ordered this stuff. I ordered it Friday. I ordered it Friday afternoon and it's Sunday. And it just arrived. It also arrived on a Sunday. Okay, but I'm not gonna complain. I have to pay anything extra for this type of shipping, so I'm not gonna complain. But I want to do a full face of e.l.f. I did get a request for that a couple weeks ago, but I had already planned to do that. So if you guys want to see, what a full face of e.l.f. looks like, the things that I picked up, then let's go. So the first thing I have is this eyeshadow palette that I was not expecting to be this small. This is their bite-sized eyeshadow in hot. Oh no! Oh no, the pan fell out. Man, that looks like you can just smudge it back in. It's their hot jalapeno. Y'all know my favorite color is green, so I was gonna go for this. Hopefully I can push that back in. How do I open this? I'm just pushing it back down into the pan. It feels, you guys know how I talk about how shadows feel just from the brush itself. It feels like the type of shimmer that I like, so we'll see once it's on my face. Usually I don't like eyeshadow palettes that are like this small because they are so limited for people who use like 5-6 shadows on their face. Like you buy this if you know that you just want to do green eyeshadow or green with a dash of gold in it. But for people who are not that elaborate, like listen, I do one shade at that, would like it because it keeps it simple, so it has its pros and its cons. I'm gonna try to use all of the shades because there's only 4, so I'm gonna take the light matte green shade first. And then the darker green in my crease and outer corner. And now the gold shade, y'all know the shimmers, they be the real test. Oh, oh, oh. That's what I'm talking about. All right, e.l.f., let's go. Look at that. Look, that is gold, okay? When I say I want gold, this is what I'm asking for, and that's what e.l.f. gave me. Look at that. But you know what? I was gonna shade another brand, but we don't even have to because we're gonna focus on e.l.f. because they gave it to us. I'm gonna use the other shimmer, which is the lighter green. I'm not holding it up because I don't want this gold to fall out. But okay. My energy seems different in my last few videos. It's because I started taking my vitamin D pills consistently. It's almost like doctors tell you to do it for a reason or something. And I'm just going to pet that in before I start blending it out. I'm gonna use the Poreless Putty for primer today. This is the original one. They just recently came out with, a different finish. I think like a glow finish or a dewy. Okay, thank you. So if you guys didn't know, this is a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and if for some reason you don't like Makeup Revolution, it's a dupe for the Makeup Revolution Pore Perfecting Primer, or if you don't like e.l.f., there's this dupe. You guys see what I'm saying here, but today it's about e.l.f. Oh, before I move on, I'm using the Poreless Putty in this one, but the Jelly Dew Primer, yeah, I'll post a picture. That's the e.l.f. primer that I would recommend the most out of the ones that I've tried. If you like the Milk Hydro Grip, I have a video like doing a side-by-side comparison. If you like or you want to try the Milk Hydro Grip, but you want that e.l.f. price, get that one because they're dupes of each other. See, now I'm in a good mood because of this eyeshadow. I'm hoping this foundation match doesn't throw that off. But I have the Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Sienna, and just blend that out. And then that looks lighter than I thought it would be. The 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I've tried both the Camo Concealer and then the hydrating one that they came out with. I wasn't really of course, I missed the garbage. I wasn't really a fan of like either of them, but you know, they deserve a second chance. Except that Becca foundation. Yeah, we're not gonna do too much today because she's light, so. And then to set that, I'm gonna use their HD powder. What was that? Oh, is that the shade Soft Luminance? I guess so. Looks like this. I think that's the shade though. Or is there just one shade? Oh, yikes. Okay. So this is their bronzer palette, Deep Bronzer. That's what that looks like, but that's what the packaging looks like. Fingers crossed, I have hopes because we've done so well up until this point, so. That's what. Oh. Like, what? All right, well, you can't win them all. I'll be right back. It's like men. The second you start claiming them, they embarrass you. The second you start giving these brands props, they embarrass you. I want to move on to this, but I just realized I got this as like a free part of the purchase for how much I spent on e.l.f. It's their Total Face Sponge, and I forgot to use it. I'll let you guys know how it is. But this is their Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Bronze Cherry. They have a lot of those, you know, like multi-use cheeky products where you can use it on your cheeks, your lips, your eyes. Ooh, this is what the shade looks like. Okay, kind of just dotted it on, and I'm gonna blend it out. And then this is their Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Oh. Ooh. What do you mist like? Ooh, okay. What does that smell like? Cucumber? Some type of vegetable. Is yeah, it's probably cucumber. I'm going to top my lips off with this e.l.f. gloss in the shade Mauve Glitz. And this is what my face looks like. I'm feeling very Moesha right now. Very, you know, rich, judgmental aunt in every black movie, or, you know, a black sitcom love interest that has an attitude and she's supposed to rival the girl next door. That's what this is giving me. Okay, e.l.f., I'm all the way here for it. I really don't have like any complaints about any of the stuff that I put on my, well, okay. So I've tried the primer, the foundation, and the concealer, and then the lip gloss before. So the eyeshadow was new to me. All the way here for it. I love that I picked up this color story. If they have this formula but just, you know, other colors, you know, purple, orange, red, I would definitely pick all of them up. They blended easily, pigmented. Listen, this is doing it for something. This is doing it for me. What else? The powder, I like the powder. It has a nice finish on the face. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is, you know, with how light it is, like flashback. But it was a nice powder. Okay, the contour palette, the bronzer palette. I don't even, you know what, let's just stay on the positive here. And the blush was nice, easy to blend out, beautiful color. Yeah, and I think, oh, the setting spray. I like the setting spray, something about it. I like, you know, how it finishes on the face. Easy mist out, it's not one of those sprays that like blast you in the face. I think that was it. Yeah, that was everything I put on my face. So this is my outcome for a full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure this has to be like less than $50 because I ordered other things and my order didn't come to more than $60 or $70. So it's nice to know that you can get a beat face for less than $50-$60 when like sometimes one product costs you $50-$60. Okay, e.l.f. Okay, listen, I'm still on this eyeshadow, but okay. So yeah, I hope seeing me test this out and seeing the outcome has helped if you've never tried e.l.f. or if you wanted to look into more of their things. And again, because it is more affordable, if you wanted more affordable options, let me know what brand you guys want me to do next in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.